This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA, and the units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil from debris thrown by a lawnmower or from hail. They are basic builder-grade units that are made for the large home building companies who are more concerned with price than any other factors. Their guarantee, especially on the compressor, is not as good as some of the other brands, as it does not have a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure, which has become the industry standard. The PH5S models have a 8.1 HSPF heating efficiency, but, with a sound rating that is close to that of a washing machine, they are pretty loud during operation. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium or Ultimate categories. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.